Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a customer service chatbot using OpenAI ChatGPT in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. First, navigate to Integration in the Settings section and connect OpenAI ChatGPT. To use your own default reply flow, disable the option that automatically allows OpenAI ChatGPT to handle your default reply. Go to the Flow section. Create your own default reply flow and set the flow as your default reply in the Settings section. Let me show you how. There you have it. You just learned how to create a customer service chatbot using OpenAI ChatGPT. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.